Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna and today we're doing a full review of the entire collection of the Malibu Barbie and ColourPop collection. So if you want to see swatches and details and a tutorial into this eye look, then keep on watching. All my socials and everything I'm wearing on my face are listed in the description down below. And on this channel, my focus is on what this makeup looks like on a real person. So I have mature skin, I'm over 35 and I'm not a makeup artist, but I love makeup. I have a huge collection and it's an obsession of mine. And I love doing these videos so that we can see how this makeup wears and how well it can be used by someone who's not a professional. Somewhere in this video, there's also a makeup giveaway, so make sure to watch the entire video all the way to the end. So here we go. I'm going to introduce every part of this collection to you, and we're going to talk about the prices and everything. As for my final thoughts, you're going to have to watch all the way to the end. So first up we have here is the mirror. It is this guy right here, and it comes in this really nice box. It came in this box right here, and it was sitting inside this kind of foamy little thing inside. Figured you didn't want to see me unbox it. The next set that we have are the lashes. Now, I didn't put the lashes on because I am not the best at using them. However, I do want to get better at it and I do want to start doing it. And these are actually really beautiful. These aren't too crazy loud or crazy like big and what. No, I can actually see me wearing these, but I want to get better at putting on false lashes and I didn't want to ruin the look, to be completely honest. And next up we have the highlighter here. This is in the shade Beach Party. This is it right here. It retails for $12. And next we have the eyeshadow palette. This is the box that came in. The packaging is just so beautiful, guys. This is a close-up of it inside. The palette retails for $25. And it's got a nice mix of some neutrals and some really vibrant greens and pinks and shimmers and mattes. There are no glitters in this one. So now the last part of this collection are the lip duos. These were fantastic because they came with a lipstick and a lip liner, which obviously can complement one another or you can interchange them and do whatever you want. I love the lip liner that I'm wearing right now. It's listed in the description. I can see me using it all the time. We have the Golden Beach Lip Duo. We have the Malibu Sunset Duo. And then we have the Dream House Duo. So there we go. That was the entire collection with their prices. And we're going to transition right now to me with a full face of makeup. And I'm going to try on all these products and create the look that you're watching right now. All right, everybody, so I have my full face on. Everything I'm wearing is listed in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. I'm also wearing, once again, the L'Oreal True Match foundation, the new one, like new and improved formula, 2021, and I'll link that right up in the corner here for you. Here we go. We're going to dive in. I'm going to do the lips first because I can't stand doing the whole face when my lips kind of have so much like foundation and stuff on them. So I'm going to use my little handy mirror here. This is like the cutest thing. So I'm going to go with the Golden Beach Duo. The other one, the Malibu Sunset Lip Duo and the Dream House, like they're very loud. Like I don't think I want to go this kind of red and everything today, but you've seen the swatches, you know what they're all about, but I'm sure one day I will. So this is the liner right here. Very creamy, really nice. This is a nice neutral color. Yeah, I can see me wearing this under a lot of neutrals, a lot of pinks. I don't have many lip liners from ColourPop, and I always make sure to go into the cracks. I don't know how there's cracks. I can't drink more water. Here we go. That is the liner here. And then onto the lipstick here. This is the Golden Beach collection. I think that's just what they're both called. And again, the component is so pretty. It's see-through, but not too see-through where it looks kind of like super cheap. Oh my God, and the Barbie is etched in the side there. Can you guys see that? The detail in this collection is insane. Really beautiful color. Oh my gosh. Part of my like super chappy lips, but I should have moisturized before like I was filming, but I was just such in a rush just to film. I was so excited. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the eyes. And so we have the palette right here. And it's got like a little bit of like 3D kind of stuff going on in the top here. And this is it once again to show you guys. And of course, like always, I'm gonna have a picture of the palette next to me. I'm gonna say what I'm going into, but you're gonna actually like visually see it too. This is gonna be a super pinky look today. I've been going into the blues and stuff. Oh, but that Surf's Up is something else. Okay, as much as I want to go into these crazy pinks in here, that Surf's Up, it's a dual chrome turquoise. This one right here. I'm going to start off with Make Waves. I love how these are embossed too. That's so nice. I'm just going to go all over my crease and for my transition shade. I think you guys need to be prepared to see this mirror in every video from now on. Okay, so the color's laying down really easily. Guys, I love this mirror. It's like just big enough that I can see, because of the heart shape, I can see like both of my eyes. Because I hate holding a compact. I can never find one that has a mirror when I need it. We're gonna try it. We're gonna go into that Best Coast, that deep pink. I gotta do it. I gotta do a loud color today. Let's see how it lays on top of the Make Waves. I mean, this is Malibu Barbie after all, and she was, first of all, the epitome of, at least of like my childhood in the 80s. So I want to be loud. I wanna rock some hot pink today. That's right, I'm gonna shock my husband. I love seeing his reaction when he comes home. After every time I film a video, he's like, whoa. That being said, my Natasha Denona one that I just did the other day, which I'll link up in the corner, he thought I was going for punk rock. And I'm like, why? Because there's a bit of green in there? I don't know. Really love this pink though. It's laying really well. It's very workable. Like I spent no time on this right eye and it blended really nicely. That, and I had a lighter shade underneath, so it's probably not as crazy pigmented as if I didn't have anything underneath it. Love this color. This is Barbie's color right here. That is what is happening. Love it on top of that transition. I just love it so far. I normally would not do such a loud pink, but it is working. Nice. Formula did not fail me in this palette so far. Okay, so we're in a good place. And man, I want to go into that Surf's Up so badly, but how am I going to do this? We're going to do it, you guys. We're just going to see what's going to happen. I'm going into Surf's Up. I'm sitting here debating it for minutes. But I think this is that pop of green that's catching everyone's eye. Wow, that is nice. I kind of want it all over the eye. And then I'm going to go in with that nice gold shimmer right on the inner lid. I want to keep that darkness there though. I'm going to go over the corner, but that is a gorgeous color, my goodness. It is so creamy. I don't have to go very hard into the pan, which is great. And when you have hooded eyes, make sure to bring it a little higher than you think. So that way when it's closed, you know, that you can see it there. Oh, that's nice. Let's see if I can get this to blend a little bit in the side here, so it's not so stark. I mean, I guess you could have just cut the crease, but I'm not like really about that. That is just so pretty. This is like Barbie #1, and this is like summer. I'm having a blast. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Call Girl. That's interesting. Is that very Barbie? Oh, but that shade is nice. That has some pigment. I will blend that out in a second. I want to make sure that stays there. Yeah, I will blend that out in a second. I want to make sure that green is prominent now that I've laid down some other colors. Make sure we got some inner corner business. I might use the highlighter to do that. We are going to put that on after this. Just going to put a little bit more of the green. Just to make sure it's very vibrant. I like blend, but I also want the color that I wanted to be prominent to be over top. And there we go. Okay, I love it. I'm going to recreate what I just did in the top lid on the lower lash line. All right, so there we go. Their eyeshadow is laid down. I'm gonna go put some eyeliner on and some mascara, and then we're gonna continue on with the highlighter. All right, everybody, so there's the eyeliner and the mascara done. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with the look, but I'll save my final thoughts for the end. I wanna go into the highlighter, and this is the part of the giveaway where I ordered 2 highlighters. So there is a whole other one right here, and I will send it anywhere worldwide. All you have to do to win this highlighter is to subscribe to this channel, follow me on IG, like and comment on this post right here, and I will put it in a list and I will randomly draw that person, and then I'll contact you on IG, and then I will send it out to you. So this is what it looks like right here. Really nice. So let's give it a try. As well, everybody, ColourPop just had a sale yesterday, and I bought the new big palette and a bunch of other stuff. And I bought an extra of the new big palette. So you want to make sure you stay subscribed for that video, because there is going to be another ColourPop giveaway in that video. I thought, you know what? It's been a while since I've done a giveaway, and I have so many subscribers, and so many of you, you know, you comment, you participate. I love having these conversations with you guys. What's up with this highlighter? Why isn't it doing anything? Am I just like going crazy? Before I go in with my finger, I'm gonna use the Blendiful here. I still use this thing, guys, all the time. It's fantastic. Okay, that's better. It might have just been my brush. Yeah. I want to glow. It is the most gloomiest day here in Canada. Well, in Toronto. Canada is a big place. It's like the biggest country in the world. I'm in Toronto. Rainy and gloomy, and I want to pretend I am in Malibu with Barbie. I'm halfway there. Oh, that's really pretty. Nice. I have some LED lights on me, but they're not ring lights, so they shouldn't be like too flattering. You can still see my wrinkles and things like that, which is, like I said in the beginning, that's the whole point of my channel, you know, real makeup on real people, not mannequins. I'm gonna put a little bit, you know, in the usual spots people put. I mean, look at this packaging, guys. It's like, I love everything ColourPop. I have a ton of other ColourPop videos. Check out my other channel. But at the same time, it's like it's such good makeup. How? I'm just gonna diffuse some of this. I went highlighter crazy. All right, everybody. So this is the finished look right here. We have a really nice eyeshadow look. Everything worked really well. I kept saying it during, you know, as I was using it, but this pink here, not patchy at all. It blended. You know, sometimes I have to go back and reblend things. Like when I'm editing, I see some stuff. But guys, I have hooded eyes and I have a lot of folds. So sometimes the brush just doesn't get in there. And most of the time I catch it, you know, afterwards, like when I shut the camera off and everything. But this did such a beautiful job. This middle color, what is this, Surf's Up, is gorgeous. I'm not even exaggerating. This mirror is the perfect size. And it's like, it's not a silky plastic. It almost feels like that velvety kind of coating or something they put on it. So it's nice to kind of hold, like easy grip, perfect size, like I can see, and it's so great. The lip combo that I used is really nice, and the highlighter is really nice. I was expecting a pink though in terms of this highlighter, but anyways. Don't forget to enter that giveaway. The details were somewhere in this video, so if you skipped ahead, you have to go back and find it. Anyways, that's it for me, everybody. My final thoughts on this. It's a fantastic set. This video is going out on Monday, and ColourPop might still be having that sale, so I recommend picking up a few items from this collection. I mean, 30% off, you can't go wrong. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you like my content. I really do appreciate it, and you watching all the way through. It really helps out the video and my channel. YouTube should be recommending to you some other content of mine. I have a lot of other ColourPop unboxings and new makeup and try-ons, and I know you're gonna find something there you're gonna love to watch. I hope you and your families are all doing well, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, everyone.